Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Electrical Forensics. And we're here in Tucson, Arizona to look at something that is electrical. And what we're looking at as electrical is the atmosphere. So it's a very interesting day today. And we're going to zoom in and show you Kitt Peak because Kitt Peak is disappearing. So let's zoom in. Now that mountain that you can see out there has almost disappeared, and what's actually going on is we have light scattering occurring, and light scattering causes things to turn white. So we're actually looking at a white Kitt Peak, and you can see that the horizon is also white. So there's a lot of atmospheric scattering going on today, and it's affecting the atmosphere. Now let's just zoom out and pan around a little bit. So this is what I call the disappearing mountain effect. And Kitt Peak that we were just looking at is approximately 50 miles from this location. And we're going to look south, and there's a mountain down there that is very well known here in Tucson. I believe it's called Mount Wrightson. And that's almost disappeared as well. So you virtually can't see it. We just lost our focus. There it is, coming back in. And believe it or not, there is actually a mountain on that horizon, and most days you can get a very clear view of it, but today you can hardly see that mountain. And that's an effect of light scattering in the atmosphere. You can see that the horizon has gone white, and as I pull out, you'll see that as we lift up from the horizon, the sky starts to turn blue. So what we're looking at is a white horizon which has a lot of atmospheric scattering in it, hence the reason why we can't see the mountains very well. And we see the white horizon in the atmosphere going up to blue. And if we keep going up, we should see the sun. And there's our sun. Come back down, you can see our horizon. So this is a very interesting effect that is occurring in the atmosphere, this white horizon effect, and the mountains turning to white. And unfortunately it's an effect of particles in the atmosphere, and that includes pollution. So it's going to be interesting to see how this affects biological life in the long term. And we're going to just do one last zoom in to Kitt Peak and let the focus come in. There we go. And out there is Kitt Peak. It's a very white version of Kitt Peak. It doesn't normally look like that, and I don't really see anything special about today for scattering. It's a very light wind day, and it's not that hot today, so something in the atmosphere is causing this white light scattering effect to occur. And I find it very, very interesting that that is indeed occurring today. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.